Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will share you guys about my research about what is electrical or electronic technology for the benefit of society. So my research is about solar energy. So this firstly is what is integration of solar energy with nakli and akli. So it mentioned in Surah Ibrahim verse 33. The meaning is, and he has made the sun and the moon both constantly pursuing their courses to be of service to you, and he has made the night and the day to be of service to you. So we move to what is pros and cons with solar energy. So firstly, advantage of solar energy. Firstly is reduce of electricity bills. This is clearly show that solar energy can provide homeowner a choice to power their homes or complement electricity from the grid. With increasing power costs, consumer can have significantly on monthly electricity bills by adopting solar energy. So the second one is long-term saving. The startup cost for a solar system represent a significant expense, but the costs are usually mitigated by saving on electric bill. Consumer can often break even on the investment, usually within 6 to 10 years, and then start reaping the benefit well before the system need replacement or considerable maintenance. Thank you. Besides, there are also a disadvantage of solar energy. Firstly is weather dependence. Without sunlight, a system relying on solar energy cannot produce power. This can pose a problem for consumer in areas with less than ideal level of sun exposure or poor weather. Solar battery to store excess energy can help mitigate this issue, and even under constant cloud, the best solar panel will still remain cost and energy efficient enough to be worth the installation. And the second one is space constraint. Solar panel and the associated wiring take up space depending on the number of solar panel needed. Finding enough space with adequate exposure can be difficult, especially in less spacious residential areas. Thank you. So next, we move to application of electrical technology using solar energy. Firstly is generate long-lasting electricity. Solar energy system can generate electricity for a long time if maintained properly. The lifespan of solar panel can be 25 until 30 years or more, and with proper maintenance, the system can continue to generate electricity effectively. Next, providing light or a comfortable interior environment. Solar energy can provide lighting and create a comfortable indoor environment through the use of solar panel to generate electricity for powering light, air conditioning, and the other appliances. And the last one is directly convert light to electricity. There is one electric component which is PV in solar cell, which can convert light to electricity. Thank you. Okay, so we move to our objective. Firstly is to identify the electrical technology application that is beneficial to society. And the second one is to discuss the electrical technology application that is beneficial to society. And the last one is to report on the concept of electrical technology application that is beneficial to society. So for our first objective is to identify the electrical technology application that is beneficial to society. So the electrical technology application that is beneficial to society in solar energy is photovoltaic. So a photovoltaic or as known as PV cell, also known as a solar cell, is the basic building block of a solar panel. Its function is to convert sunlight into direct current DC electricity through the photovoltaic effect, which is the process of converting light energy into electrical energy. When multiplied, PV cells are connected together in a solar panel. The panel can generate enough electricity to power homes, buildings, and other applications. So for our second objective is to discuss the electrical technology application that is beneficial to society. So for the first one is renewable energy. It is clearly that solar energy is renewable energy because photovoltaic PV can be considered a renewable energy source. Solar energy, which is harnessed by PV cell, it is clean, renewable and sustainable source of energy that does not emit greenhouse gas or other pollution. As long as there is sunlight, PV cell can continue to generate electricity, making it a renewable source of energy. So for the second one is reduce what you pay for electricity. Photovoltaic PV can reduce the cost of electricity by allowing homeowners to generate their own electricity using solar panels. By producing their own electricity, homeowners can reduce or eliminate their reliance on their utility company and the energy grid, which can result in lower electricity bills. Additionally, the cost of solar panel and equipment has decreased over the year, making it more affordable for homeowners to invest in a PV system and start saving on their electricity bills. And the last one is property value increase. So having a photovoltaic PV system installed can potentially increase the value of property. A well-designed and well-functioning solar panel system can make a property more attractive to potential buyers, as it can provide clean, renewable energy and lower electricity bills. This can make the property more valuable compared to similar properties that do not have a solar system installed. However, the exact increase in property value will vary depending on several factors, including the local real estate market, the cost of electricity, and the size and design of the PV system. Thank you. Okay, so for the last objective is to report on the concept of electrical technology application that is beneficial to society. So, PV or photovoltaic use Kirchhoff current law. Kirchhoff current law (KCL) is a basic principle in electrical engineering that states that the total current entering a node, a point where two or more electrical branches meet, must equal the total current leaving that node. In a photovoltaic PV system, KCL is used to determine the flow of current through the system, including the flow current in and out of the PV cell, the battery, and other components. KCL helps to ensure that the current is balanced in a PV system and that there are no overloading or safety issues. By using KCL in the design and operating of a PV system, engineering and technician can optimize the performance and efficiency of the system. So, like in this picture, PV cell equivalent circuit applying Kirchhoff law to the node where IPH, diode, RSH and RS encounter, we get IPH equal to ID plus RSH plus I. Thank you. Okay, thank you for watching and lending your ears because listening my slide. See you soon. Thank you. Bye.